Say, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, God is good. Got my bulgur in the neighborhood. Goodness gracious, God is good. I got my bulgur in the neighborhood. Yes, man. Me say, me tell you something about black people like we. We're black, all of us black. And black is beautiful, beautiful. So, one of them bad mind, they eat like pies, your own black people. Them. Sometimes you wonder why them eat so far, and them black as you are. They mind some of them dirty mind, they don't want to see you reach nowhere. You know what I'm saying? If we had come together like how the China them come together, if we had come together like how most of the African them try to come together and do the right thing, we wouldn't suffer so much. But as one person see somebody trying to make it, then try to pull them down. Next person try to pull them down. And I saw it around. The sun started to come up at in my mama's ass. Lots of me feel it. So I saw it go. I saw it coming here, child. So, all right. So, basically, so it go, baby. So I said, a little bit of the sun come out, hot for the little bit, you see it there? Tell me. Life is crazy. Life is crazy, man. Me I tell you, say, life is crazy. But you have to love life and appreciate life. You know some people are good. You have to just pass them. You don't have to chat to them. You don't have to talk to them. But you can't make them dim your light. And one thing me learn, nobody can dim my light. The minute you get up and you start afraid of people and make them feel that they can't dim your light, you're never strong enough from the beginning for yourself. You understand me? You can't afraid of people make them dim your light. For what? You're a joke. Dim your light. May they try to turn off the light, but you will never turn off. You will never stay in darkness. You never will stay in darkness. Remember me tell you that. And so some of them come in like they want to come and dim your light. Now come with all kind of madness, then come with all kind of sitting on. That's why enough of we in a problem. Because we own black people, them somehow we don't like each other. We don't even like ourselves. Every time you see a black person, see you or a black woman, see you might dress nice or you have something going for you, they always have something to say. What do you do good people have to say? What do you do bad? So just continue fucking doing. That's what I have to say. Because no matter what you do, they're going to say. Hold your corner and do your thing. Right? That's how me look on life. Me not watch no face and me not watch nobody. If you watch people face them turning an idiot, you do this and tell do this so, do this so, do that so, they want to turn a blood clot idiot. Me not idiot for nobody. Somebody want to call me phone and tell me how to do my video, how to run my shit. You can't tell me for do my thing. You cannot tell me. I must know what I want out of life and what my plan is. You could never tell me. And that's the whole thing. We go inside the store, yeah? Yeah. Good morning. So, people, that's the situation. I have to get the money at my purse. Yeah, so, today gonna be warm too, man. You can't feel it already. It's gonna be real warm today. Hi, darling. It's gonna be real warm today. Yeah, so today's gonna be a warm one. Let me tell about people how them stay. Today's gonna be a warm one. Thank you. Let me tell you, some of your own black people them don't even like you. The Chinese them getting along, the African them getting along, they're not getting along. Thank you, babe. Them don't even like you. Some of them go on like you do them same thing. When you look them twist up them face and I look upon you like you take them man. Or your teeth then close off a line. Or your teeth then draws. You don't know what the fuck them up to. These people are crazy. Sometimes you walk outside, when you look you see ears everywhere. Everybody I look like you commit murder, like you do something. Everybody I look. Yes man, that's how it go. But you cannot make ears stop you. You cannot make people stop you. You gotta keep riding, you gotta keep striving to the top. Don't make nobody dim your light, you know. If you make somebody dim your light, them take away your life. So don't make nobody dim your light. Make sure of that. Keep your light burning, keep it up. Because a lot of haters want to turn your light down. So when you know a lot of haters want to turn your light down, you make sure you turn the light up. Big and loud on the hater them. Big and loud. Highland powder can't catch me. Big and loud. Obiareka, big and loud. Island powder on the food, island powder on the house, island powder on the sheet, island powder there everywhere. Hater, you can't catch me. Me not live in a misery like some people.